Do you have a deadline? What we are going to talk about today is the importance of deadlines. Hello everyone, I am Ajinkya and you are listening to the Be Productive series, wherein every day I make one video to help you to be more productive and help you to be the best versions of yourself. Today we are going to talk about what is the importance of deadline. Now what is deadline? Deadline is some imaginary point in time where we decide that some particular task, some particular goal has to be achieved by that time, right? Now we all have a lot of goals, we all have a lot of ambitions, we all have a lot of aspirations, but a lot of times we fail to have a very good deadline. And good deadlines and strict deadlines can really mean difference between you achieving those goals and you not achieving those goals. You see, aspirations are something which you want, but if an aspiration has a deadline, if aspiration has a set time limit to it, it becomes a proper set goal, it becomes an achievable goal. Now deadlines is something which really can help you to achieve your goals, your dreams in a much better way, and it can actually help you achieve those dreams which otherwise generally we would not go ahead and complete. For example, let us say that you want to write a book. Now if you do this without a deadline, what is going to happen? You'd start writing the book, you'd write a few pages, you'd keep on writing a few pages for a few days, but because you do not have a set deadline, you do not have a time limit to your task, and the time that will be required to this book seems to be an unlimited time, you gradually lose interest and you gradually just let that goal go somewhere, or the other priorities take up. Now deadlines can really help you to stay on track, and they can really help you finish these projects in that particular time. A lot of times people say that if I set deadlines, there's a possibility that I won't be able to have that same amount of quality work, but that's just not true. Most often than not, what happens due to setting up deadline is that the project completes. Otherwise, most often the project is not going to complete. Also, there is only a marginal difference of quality that might have been there had you completed the project without actually setting up a deadline. Now, this so-called scope of improvement in your projects, that will be there forever. I mean, even if you take something without deadlines and you take like forever, years and years to complete some piece of work, there's of course going to be some piece of improvement left in there. But if you actually set yourself deadlines, believe me, there's not going to be much of a difference in the quality that you come out with, but there's really going to be a lot of difference in the amount of work that you are able to achieve. What happens when you don't have deadlines is that you generally push yourself in comfort zones. Have some deadlines, set some goals, set some deadlines, and just tell it across to all your friends, put it across on social media, and do something which is actually going to force you to do that thing and work towards that thing and finish that thing by the time your deadline arrives. Now once you set a deadline, you no longer can push this thing in your comfort zone. You have to get up and you have to get things doing, and then you are actually going to go ahead and finish the task that you want to have. So go ahead and have a lot of have proper deadlines for the aspirations, for the dreams, for the goals that you have, so that you can actually go out and achieve everything that you set your eyes upon. There's a very beautiful video on the Facebook page of Nas Daily where he talks how deadlines help him succeed. I absolutely love that video. That is the reason I'm just going to mention it here. Go ahead and check that video as well. Also, I would love to hear from you. If you actually do this for yourself? Do you actually set deadlines for your own tasks? And how is it that you do? Maybe we can have a nice conversation on it. So let me know your thoughts on setting up deadlines. And of course, I'm going to see you tomorrow. Till then, tada, bye bye, sayonara.